It's a 1.9 Volkswagen Passat TDI. It's an AVB engine. Yep. So I just fitted a N75 valve. So I've got a fault code at 3000 revs with charge pressure control, negative deviation. That was picked up on VCDS, code P1556. So you can, what was happening, the actuator arm wasn't lifting up. So as you can see the arm in there, that little white mark, that's the actuator arm. So when I start the engine in a minute, it should lift up. That wasn't happening with the old N75 valve or boost pressure solenoid. The way of testing it is removing the vacuum off the top of the actuator, and it should drop down. So I'll just start the engine. See the arms moved up, so we're getting vacuum now.